Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Review for You. If you're someone who loves the great outdoors, hiking, backpacking, or camping under the stars, then you know that the right gear can mean the difference between a relaxing trip and a total disaster. In today's video, we're diving into the 10 must-have tools for camping like a pro, all affordable, practical, and available on Amazon right now. Whether you're an experienced camper or just getting started, these gadgets will make your next outdoor adventure safer, easier, and a whole lot more enjoyable. So grab your backpack, sit back, and let's gear up for the wild. First on our list, the AOTU Portable Camping Stove, a compact beast that every camper should own. This mini stove is made from high-strength aluminum alloy that's both lightweight and resistant to corrosion. It's built to handle rough use, whether you're on rocky terrain or deep in the forest. The honeycomb-style windproof mesh helps maintain a stable flame even when the wind picks up, meaning your coffee boils fast and your noodles cook evenly. With a powerful 3,000-watt output, you can boil water in under 3 minutes. Plus, the adjustable control valve gives you perfect heat control for simmering or searing. It's compatible with most butane fuel canisters, folds neatly into a small case, and weighs almost nothing in your backpack. If you love minimalist gear that performs, this little stove is worth every penny. Next up, the Coghlan's folding hand saw. Don't underestimate its size. This small folding saw is one of the most dependable cutting tools you can bring camping. It features a 7-inch SK5 carbon steel blade that cuts smoothly through branches, roots, and firewood without effort. Perfect for building shelters, clearing campsites, or cutting kindling for your fire. The ergonomic plastic handle ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip even with wet or gloved hands. When you're done, it folds safely into its handle, making it compact and easy to carry. Lightweight, simple, and effective, this saw turns tough outdoor jobs into quick work, making it a camper's silent hero. Coming in at number 3, we've got the MalloMe Camping Cookware Mess Kit, your complete portable kitchen in a bag. It includes a non-stick aluminum pot, frying pan, serving bowl, folding spork, wooden spatula, cleaning sponge, and even a carrying bag. Everything fits together neatly, saving tons of space in your backpack. The aluminum cookware heats up quickly and evenly, making it perfect for everything from scrambled eggs to soup. After cooking, cleanup is fast, just rinse and wipe. It's ideal for solo campers, couples, or anyone who wants hot meals without bulky equipment. Compact, easy to store, and built for real outdoor use, this kit proves that good food and great adventures go hand in hand. Number 4. TiTo Titanium Long Handle Spork and Spoon. Minimalists, this one's for you, the TiTo Titanium Spork. Crafted from pure titanium, this spork is incredibly durable, rust-proof, and practically weightless. You could carry it around your neck and forget it's even there. The long handle design makes it perfect for eating directly from deep freeze-dried meal bags or cooking pots. No more burnt fingers or dirty hands reaching into pouches. Titanium also stays cool and clean, and it won't retain food odors or flavors. It's the kind of gear you'll keep for years. Whether you're backpacking across mountains or enjoying a simple campsite breakfast, this spork is the definition of efficient design. Number 5. Membrane Solutions Straw Water Filter S1. Next, we've got a survival essential, the Membrane Solutions Straw Water Filter S1. Clean water is critical outdoors, and this tiny filter makes it possible to drink safely from rivers, lakes, or streams. It uses a 5-stage filtration system, removing bacteria, protozoa, and microplastics while improving the taste. It can filter up to 1,300 gallons of water, and it's small enough to fit in your pocket. Just dip it into the water source and drink directly through it, no setup required. For campers, hikers, and emergency preppers, this is one of those just-in-case tools that can literally save your life. Reliable, affordable, and compact, every outdoor kit should have one. Number 6. Emergency Zone 5-in-1 Survival Whistle. Next up, the Emergency Zone 5-in-1 Survival Whistle. It might look tiny, but it's a full-on survival kit in disguise. This whistle includes a 120 decibel emergency signal, a compass, a signal mirror, a ferro rod fire starter, and a small waterproof storage compartment for matches or medicine. It's designed for both hikers and campers who want to be prepared for the unexpected. Whether you're lost, signaling for help, or just lighting a fire, this multi-tool whistle has you covered. Clip it to your backpack or wear it around your neck. It's feather light, but could make a huge difference in a survival situation. Number 7. EverBrite 2-in-1 Mini Lanterns and Flashlights. Light is everything when the sun goes down, and the EverBrite 2-in-1 mini lantern is your go-to source. These compact lights work as both flashlights and lanterns, with adjustable brightness modes for every situation. Slide the body open to reveal a 360 degrees lantern, or close it for a focused flashlight beam. They're powered by standard AA batteries, super lightweight, and built with durable plastic casings that can handle drops and rain. Perfect for hanging inside your tent, lighting a trail, or keeping in your car for emergencies. For the price, you won't find a more versatile lighting tool. Number 8. Folding Survival Shovel Multi-Tool. At number 8, we've got a real workhorse, the Folding Survival Shovel Multi-Tool. This isn't just a shovel, it's a compact toolbox in one. It works as a digging tool, saw, axe, pick, and bottle opener, all in one foldable design. Made from high-carbon steel, it's built for extreme conditions and easily packs into a small carrying pouch. Whether you're digging a fire pit, clearing your tent site, or getting your car unstuck from mud, this multi-tool shovel can handle it. It's tough, reliable, and perfect for anyone who camps, hikes, or preps. Number 9. Bayite Large Ferro Rod Fire Starter. Now let's talk fire. The Bayite Large Ferro Rod Fire Starter. Forget matches and lighters that fail when wet. This ferro rod creates massive, hot sparks that work in any weather. It lasts up to 12,000 strikes, making it a long-term investment for every camper. Pair it with some dry tinder, and you'll have a roaring fire in seconds, even after rain. It's compact, fits in your pocket, and comes with a sturdy striker. It's a must-have tool that adds peace of mind to any outdoor adventure. Number 10. SZHLUX Camping Hammock. And finally, the SZHLUX Camping Hammock, because after all the work, you deserve to relax. Made from 210T parachute nylon fabric, it's lightweight yet strong enough to support 2 adults, up to 400 pounds. It comes with adjustable tree straps and carabiners, making setup a breeze in under 2 minutes. It's breathable, soft, and packs down into its own small pouch that fits right in your backpack. Whether you're camping deep in the woods, hanging out at the beach, or just chilling in your backyard, this hammock turns any place into a comfort zone. Affordable, portable, and super comfortable, the perfect way to end your camping day. And that wraps up our list of the 10 must-have tools for camping like a pro. Each of these products is budget-friendly, easy to carry, and designed to make your outdoor adventures more enjoyable and stress-free. From cooking to lighting, survival to comfort, these tools cover it all. Which one will you add to your camping gear this season? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode of Honest Review for You. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and as always, happy camping, friends.